I'll just do a voiceover later.
See.
Because there's quite a lot of screws.
Yeah, I mean, it's actually doesn't help because my screwdriver is not magnetic, but it shouldn't be too long.
That's okay. I usually just do the do some funny music and make it a little bit faster.
Yeah, cool.
If it has a lot of screws. Because people don't like to wait. I had once a Samsung notebook I took apart. It has 22 screws to take off.
Wait until you do the max.
Like I shot a lot of netbook videos, and in the beginning it was easier to change the RAM, and later they just Sometimes it's even soldered on the mainboard now.
Yeah, that's getting quite frustrating. We had a the UX31, which has got a MSATA connector as well, but this one's got half my memory is soldered on, the other half is
this should have an MSATA 24 gig SSD inside, because that's requirement by Intel to have an SSD inside for an ultrabook.
Oh really?
Yes. So it has an SSD, a small one inside, but a hard drive.
Yeah, we saw that actually when we were cloning it. But what did you put on there? Were you using that as a
you can't see.
hybrid?
I mean, you can't use actually the SSD inside. I mean, Windows doesn't see it. It's just for booting up faster. As far as I know.
Ooh, I wonder actually, because we didn't clone. So basically, with this one, it has a temporary storage for. So the second part is the one that's actually on the motherboard.
Okay.
It kind of makes a clone of Windows, a very basic version of it, so that it can load the Windows files much faster. But then what happens is that if you don't copy that across, you lose that data.
Yeah.
But hopefully, yeah, we'll boot you up and make sure everything's as it should be.
Well, that sounds interesting.
No, don't worry. It's fine. It's just
I know.
it's a little.
I love to take apart notebooks. Desktops also. But
Yeah, this is a little bit more interesting.
yeah, but nobody's buying them anymore.
Yeah. To upgrade and everything, it's good, but there we go. Come on. Slightly bent on this edge, I think. There we go. Okay.
So it seems like a hard drive.
Yeah, there is a hard drive. We're laughing.
So I think here's the MSATA SSD by Intel.
Oh
no, that's a
That's
graphics.
graphics. That and this is.
Oh no, that's actually wireless, because there's the wireless.
This is graphics, wireless processor. Your MSATA might potentially be. Could potentially be.
Maybe it's
it
a
could
soldered
maybe
on.
be yeah, could be under the battery maybe. Not sure.
Huge battery, but only 5 hours.
Really, it's still pretty good.
I mean, Wi-Fi 5 hours. So.
Yeah, that's pretty good compared
No, I have the Series 9, and you have like 7 hours with Wi-Fi, and the bigger screen.
to Full HD as well.
Now they have Full HD, but I don't have it. They announced Full HD here on the CES.
This is
The hard drive.
HDD, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you just want to check under the battery, or?
No, I need to be able to access the side sockets. I need to take the battery off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's
쟤를 이제 떼내고.
okay. So I don't want to throw up too much.
That's okay.
Oh, you're an expert.
Taking apart is usually the easier thing.
Yeah. you've got a couple of sockets here that you don't want to. So I've got a choice. I can actually just get it in here. So
Yeah. It's, it's quite a lot of screws here also.
Yeah.
What's the count later?
How many we on now?
Okay. Now we should be able to without. Come.
Perfect.
No, see if I can do this with one hand holding. Actually, Maddie, can I
Yeah.
ask you just to put your thumb and just hold it there? Okay, we'll just use this cable. We
Okay,
don't want
got
to
it.
give too much tension on there, so just keep
Okay, got it.
these three, otherwise I'm going to take you out.
아, 아,
There you go. Got it.
what is the laptop?
Asus UX32 Zenbook.
Give me a fright.
Looks very.
Looks scary, doesn't it?
Some laptop is very easy to do.
Yeah.
This one looks
Yeah,
because it's kind of slim a little bit, right?
Yeah.
So it's more difficult.
It's an ultrabook.
Higher skill, I guess, to place.
yeah. Okay, this is for heat, so I'm going to leave this on here because
Yeah, it's
there's
okay.
absolutely no need to do it for the SSD, okay? And also peeling it off, I don't want to deal with that right now. Okay.
Actually, my notebook will also get lighter with the SSD
Yeah,
because this is
absolutely.
heavy.
Yeah, these are heavy HDD usually. See, that's very light. So you know all the benefits of SSD, right? No sound.
I know.
no
I have an SSD in my computer
Yeah.
desktop. It's faster, less power, less heat.
Oh yeah, you
Everything
could
is better.
actually use your battery probably an hour more from using SSD.
Well, I will see. I'll see. I have to test. I have to test that.
Oh, I bet you. Because I'm using actually MacBook Pro.
Yeah.
I upgraded it.
Yeah.
My battery an hour.
Wow.
That's nice.
Because this one, A40, has the least power consumption of all the SSDs.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
I have an 830 at home.
Yeah, so do I.
The last.
A30 maybe, A40
Very
least
good.
power consumption. So I bet you will use an hour more battery life.
Okay, I will test
You will test.
and then write about it. Of course, that's part of the deal.
So whereabouts are you from?
He's from
Munich,
Germany.
Germany.
Munich?
Yes.
Awesome. Good partying in Munich.
Here too.
Okay. We need to use your fingers again, but it's okay. Make sure I put this right around. Make sure that's right. Wide, yeah.
It's like surgery.
Yeah.
Yeah. Seriously.
It is beautiful. It's beautiful. Like it looks good. Machine. Just the way they decorated it. It looks.
Actually, I think Sony machines are still the best one.
Tech-wise?
Yeah, tech-wise.
Did they announce there's new Z yet? New Z series?
Not here. There's
No.
it's
Okay.
over the cable.
Put mine in.
Yeah, I think these ones are wrong length. I put them in the wrong.
Oh, yeah. That's interesting.
Change your spacer.
Oh yeah, this. I didn't see the arrow. Ah shit.
Should have pulled it.
Okay.